Students, now we will see write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. Before we start, just we will revise the symbols, the 7 basic symbol. This I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. You have to keep on learning this signs, then only you will be able to do this type of sums. Now here the Roman numerals are given and we have to write them into Hindu-Arabic numeral. For this you should remember all the rules which we have learnt. Now first, here you can see all the values are in increasing order. It means all these values will be added in the L. You know what is the value of L? Just now we have revised, the value of L is 50. So first I am writing the value of L. As all the values are which are towards right hand side are smaller, so all the values will be added. So 10 plus 10 and this 1 3 times, so it will be written 1 plus 1 plus 1 as just now we have done before. So 50 plus 10 will give me 70 and this 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 times gave me 3. So this Roman numeral in Hindu-Arabic is representing 73. Now we will see this example XCV. Here the order is not the same. Here X is smaller, C is greater and this V is again smaller. So you have seen the rule that if the smaller value is written before the greater value, we will subtract the smaller value from the number which is at the right hand side. So C, the value of C is 100. So 100 minus X, 100 minus X, X means 10. So I can write XC as this and the value of V is 5 plus 5. So 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 5, it gives me value as 95. Okay. Now we will see one more example. Here it is written CTLXV. Again all the numbers are not in increasing order, like in the first sum all the these symbols were in increasing order, so we have added all them. But here C is smaller than D. The value of C is 100. So the value of this C will be subtracted from the value of D. The value of D is 500. So 500 minus 100. Okay, this is representing this CD. Now LXV, all the remaining are in the increasing order only. The value of L is 50. The value of X is 10 and the value of V is 5. So 500 minus 100, it will give me 400. Now we can add all these 3, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 5, what it will give me? 65. So this Roman numeral CDLXV is representing 465. Okay. Now we will see this example for MDCLIV. I don't have space, so I am going to erase some part from here. Okay. So we can do it here. As you know, the value of M, now you can see all these are in the increasing order. The value of M is 1000. The value of D is 500. The value of C is 100. The value of L is 50. Only here this last IV, and that you know that IV represents here 4. Yes. So when we add all this number 1000 plus 500, 1500, 1500 plus 100, 1600. So this all three will add up to give us 1600 plus 54. So this number is representing 1654. 1654. 54. MDCLIV is representing 1654. So dear students, you have to keep revising the things like the 7 basic symbols, then you are able to do all the sums by